Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn about functions of leaves. Okay, so leaves, they not only make a tree look beautiful, but they also perform some very important functions for the plant. Now let's learn in detail about what a leaf does. So a leaf makes food for the plant. See, a plant is also a living thing. It needs food. Just like we human beings, we need food. Without food, we cannot live, we cannot grow. The same way, plants, they also need food. Okay. Now, this food is prepared on the leaf of a plant. So, in order to make their food, leaves, they need sunlight, they need water, and they also need carbon dioxide. Okay. Water, the roots can absorb from the soil. Sunlight, it's there, we get it from sun. And carbon dioxide, leaves get carbon dioxide from the air. See, animals and humans, they are all breathing out air. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. All this carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere, and this is what a plant uses to make their food. So this entire process in which a leaf makes food for the plant is called photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. Now, once a leaf absorbs sunlight, carbon dioxide, and the roots bring in water, they make the food for the plant. Okay, now this food is again sent to different parts of the plant with the help of veins. You studied about veins, right? They're spread out in a leaf. So what they do is they will bring in water to the plant, and once the food is made, they will also carry back the food to other parts of the plant. So this entire process of photosynthesis is very important. Now you know that leaves are very important for a plant. If there are no leaves, there will be no food made, and if there is no food, the plant will not be able to grow. Okay, so do you know that leaves have tiny holes on them? It's very tiny. You cannot just, when you look at them, you won't see, but when you put them under a microscope, you can see them clearly. Leaves have tiny holes, and these tiny holes, they absorb carbon dioxide from the air when the food is made. Now, when the food is made in the form of glucose. Okay, along with glucose, in the process of photosynthesis, they also create oxygen. Okay, and they also create water. Now, glucose is kept for the plant as food, but they don't need the oxygen. So what they do is they release this oxygen through those stomata into the air, and the same thing happens with the water. They also release the water in the air with the help of the stomata. Now, once this process is done, the food that is called glucose for the plant, it is used by the plant. And once the plant is done eating, the remaining food is stored by the plant so that they can use it for future purposes. So, this is a reason why we say that plants are so important. See, the amount of vehicles running around us, number of human beings on the planet, animals, factories running around, they are all giving out carbon dioxide in the air. Now, this carbon dioxide is used by the leaves to make their food. There is also a reason why we say that plants are the lungs of the earth. Just like our lungs help us to breathe, in the same way, plants are also called the lungs of the earth. They help the earth to breathe. We need oxygen to breathe. We take out carbon dioxide. It's completely opposite for plants. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and they make their food, and they give out oxygen. So, this is one of the most important function of a leaf. And I think you do remember what I told you about leaf blade. The leaf blade also matters in the process of photosynthesis. The bigger the leaf blade, the more sunlight it can absorb. Okay, the smaller the leaf blade, less sunlight it can absorb. So the leaf blade also matters in the process of photosynthesis. Now it's as simple as that. Photosynthesis takes place with the help of sunlight, so it usually takes place in the daytime. Okay, so now we know that leaves are very important for a plant. They make food for the plant. If a plant has no leaves, it won't grow well because it won't be getting enough food compared to a plant which has more leaves. More leaves means more food and better for the plant. Okay, so this entire process of photosynthesis helps a plant to grow, and it also helps us human beings to get oxygen. So now you can understand that plants are so important for all of us. They keep the air clean, they are absorbing carbon dioxide, and they're giving out oxygen, which is used by all of us. Okay, so I hope you understood the entire process of photosynthesis. Okay, see you in next class. Stay safe, stay home.